Welcome back, guys, for another video. Today I've made stew peas. This was made with some salted pigtails without the color. So we've got pigtails and chicken foot together. I've added both of them after I've scalded it for about 10 minutes to my peas that's been pre-soaked. And this was pre-soaked for a couple of hours, right? And I've cooked everything. What I will do, guys, I would leave all my seasoning and what I've cooked it with in the description. So just remember to check it out if you are interested in cooking this dish. So delicious. I've cooked mine with brown rice. You can also use white rice if you like. And, just for a healthier choice, you can use the brown rice. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more meal ideas. And always, because once you've subscribed, remember you won't miss any videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.